I want to talk about 3 things you need to know before starting a hair business, and these tips is going to help you a lot. First, you have to know the customers you're going to market your business to. Secondly, you need to know the environment where you want to sell your market. Thirdly, do you have the money to start it? It's not by getting hairs, it's not by posting. Do you have the money to buy those hairs for your customers? Because that's going to be one issue you're going to face, one big challenge you face in hair business. These 3 tips, I'm going to talk about it one after the other. The first one, your customers. Without you having the right customers, trust me, you won't make it in this hair business. You need the right customers. We have 3 types of customers. Number 1, the budget customers, the low budget customers, and the luxury customers. The budget customers are those customers who need hair from 5,000 naira to 30,000 naira. Why the low budget? Okay, sorry, the low budget customers need hair from 5,000 naira to 30,000 naira. Why the budget customers need hair from 30,000 naira to 50,000 naira. Why the luxury customers need hair from 50,000 naira upwards, like from 100, 120. Those are where you can get hairs from Vietnam and Cambodia, because they have high quality hairs compared to China hairs. If you want to market hairs for the low budget customers, I'll advise you to go with China hairs. Don't go with Vietnam hairs. Those are high purchase hairs, and it's only luxury customers that can be able to purchase that. Secondly, do you have the capital to start up your business? Trust me, you need money to start up this business. If not, you're just going to be behind. And trust me, no one will want to buy hairs from you whereby they're not seeing it. They have to see what they're buying before they buy it from you. And that was one challenge I had when I started my hair business. I lost a lot of customers. Why? Because they want to see the live videos and I don't have it. I don't even know how to prove to them that I don't have those hairs. And all of them left. No one wants to buy from me because they believe they need to see what they're buying before they can buy. In the country, scammers are they are taking over. One has to be careful before starting this business. Number 3, your environment. If you have a working shop, you need to get a place whereby it's very busy. For instance, students area, workers, for some bankers, those people that can't even go out to look for what they want. The next thing is you have to place your shop in a very, very good location. That is number 1 thing you need to do, because if you start marketing and you have a shop in a rural area, trust me, no one wants to go there to purchase what you sell. Even if it's very, very cheap, like very, very pocket friendly, no one wants to go there because they believe there is it's rural. Who is going there? What do they need there? And by doing that, you're going to lose customers. I advise you, when you want to start up hair business, these 3 tips are what you need to consider. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.